Arbitrage pricing theory, developed by economist Stephen Ross in the 1970s, revolutionized the way we understand asset pricing in financial markets. Unlike the capital asset pricing model, which relies heavily on the market's overall return, APT provides a more nuanced approach. It suggests that the return on a financial asset can be predicted not only by its sensitivity to the market but also through a variety of macroeconomic factors. This multiplicity opens up avenues for better forecasting and investment strategies, making APT a fundamental concept in modern finance. At the core of APT is the idea that numerous economic factors can influence asset returns. These factors may include inflation rates, interest rates, changes in GDP, and even shifts in commodity prices. The theory posits that investors require compensation for taking risks related to these factors. For instance, if inflation unexpectedly rises, bonds may yield lower returns due to reduced purchasing power. APT allows investors to see how each of these factors interacts with the asset in question, enabling a more comprehensive view of potential risks and returns. One of the most appealing aspects of APT is its flexibility. Unlike models that depend on a single market factor, APT is not constrained by specific assumptions regarding the behavior of investors or the structure of the market. It allows for the inclusion of multiple risk factors in predicting asset returns. This adaptability makes it particularly useful in a dynamic economic environment, where conditions can change rapidly and unpredictably. Investors can adjust their analysis to take into account new data or emerging trends, leading to more informed decision-making. Moreover, APT has practical implications for portfolio management. Investors can construct diversified portfolios that account for various sources of risk, potentially leading to better risk-adjusted returns. By focusing on multiple risk factors rather than solely relying on historical price data, portfolio managers can enhance their investment strategies. This method encourages a proactive rather than reactive investment approach, helping to safeguard against unexpected changes in the market. In conclusion, arbitrage pricing theory offers a rich framework for understanding the complexities of asset pricing. By linking asset returns to multiple macroeconomic factors, APT provides investors with a more detailed tool for analysis and forecasting. Its flexibility and adaptability make it essential for modern portfolio management, enabling investors to navigate the often turbulent waters of financial markets with greater confidence. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just beginning, understanding APT can significantly enhance your investment acumen.